so I am back. So in this video, this is going to be an accessories haul. I'm going to be showing you some jewelry and like hair accessories and stuff like that. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. So all of these items are from Nihao Jewelry. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Nihao. So I got some really cute headbands, some earrings, jewelry, rings, and stuff like that. And hair accessories and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so first of all, what I did want to tell you guys is that this company is super affordable. It'll probably pop up on the video, kind of scrolling through the website so you can see how cheap the prices are. But everything is super affordable, and they have a wide selection of different things. So if you're looking for jewelry or hair accessories, definitely check on this website. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so first off, I already opened the package. Everything did come compressed kind of together, wrapped up in bubble wrap, but each item is wrapped in plastic as well. So this was the first item that I had, and it's so pretty. It's a headband, one of those diamond ones. But since it was kind of squished in the package, it is kind of dented in here a little bit, which I don't know if over time with me kind of messing with it or just leaving it out, if it will puff back out. But also on the side, two little pieces of where the stone is, it's kind of lifting, but I could just use some super glue and lay it back down. Super cheap, a lot cheaper than most boutiques and stuff are selling these headbands for right now. I'll just put it on, even though it doesn't go with this hairstyle, but it's so pretty and super blingy. And I really wanted a headband like this because I was thinking that I will probably use this for my maternity shoot and just to wear in general, because these are really popular right now, and y'all know I love bling. So I got the black one with all of the stones. Let's just do a close-up so you can see. And since my hair is dark, usually today, you know, it's a little blonde, but since my hair is dark, it'll blend in easy. I was kind of concerned because it was black and I didn't really want the black to peek out, but you really can't see the black that much. It's mostly just blinged out. That same note, I did get another one that is very similar. So this one has some different crystals on it. It has some crystals that are larger. And this one is really pretty also. I don't know which one I want to use. But yeah, so pretty. And I really wanted to pick up some headbands like this because they just look so cute. You could do like a side part or a middle part, and it just looks really cute. You can do it with like a ponytail and stuff too. So, you know, whatever you really want. This one is heavier than this one, I guess, because it has larger stones. So let me just show you the difference. So yeah, I don't know. This one giving me princess vibes. So this might be my choice for the shoot. But yeah, speaking of my maternity shoot, I did pick up some other headbands that I thought would be cool. But I didn't know how it would look. So I just picked these up also to kind of play around with and see what I could come up with. So let me just open them up. These are two different ones that I got. This is the first one. It's like a basic metal headband, but then you have large crystals going across. So this is super blingy and really pretty. But then I had an idea to put two together. So let me just show you the other one. Here is the other one. So I had the idea that since this one is up and it goes across like that, and the other one is flat, that they would look nice paired together. I don't know. I just picked it up just to see how it would look. Let's try it on and see right now. So this one, it kind of gives you like a crown kind of vibe, and that's why I liked it, because I was kind of thinking of doing like a tiara or something, but then I was like, I don't know, let me just try some different headbands to see what this will look like first. Okay, so this is how it would look together. So I think it looks cute, and it's giving like tiara vibes, but not too much. Like, you know how sometimes if you put a tiara on, it might be looking like you're doing a little bit too much. But like with the headbands, I think it's cute. And I like that this one is, you know, sitting up so that it will still pop out in the photo. But I don't know which ones I'm going to use just yet. But more than likely, I will use one of these headbands or a few of them when I do my shoot, or I will pick up a tiara. I don't know what I want to do yet. But my gown came, so I'll probably play around and try it on and see what I like. But yeah, so also sticking with hair accessories, I picked up 2 more headbands, and these are so cute. So I got a nude one and I got a black one, and these are a cloth material. Actually, I got 3 more headbands. But yeah, these are a cloth material, and then they have stones on them in different colors. So I thought these were cute as well. And oh wait, do you fluff this out? I guess so. So yeah, these stones are different colors. Oh wow. Okay, so one of the stones just popped out, but you can put it back in, so really easy as long as I can pick it up and find it on the floor. But yeah, super inexpensive, but you know, stones come out all the time, so not that big of a deal. And then here is this one, and it looks like a stone is missing from this one as well. I don't know if it's in the bag or what, but yeah, the way that they packaged it, I would say that it should come in a box or something, because it was kind of compressed together and pushing everything together, and the delivery people do not be handling packages with care, so that's gonna make it even worse. But yeah, I got the nude one, and then I got a black one as well. I thought these would be cute to pair with like dresses, or you know, just more plain stuff if you want to kind of jazz it up a bit. And then also another headband. Oh wait, here's the other crystal. So they're both in there, they just happen to fall out. So I'm going to put these on my table so I don't lose them, so I can put them back into my headbands, both of them. And lastly, I picked up a black and white one. And actually, it's coming off navy. I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely navy. I thought it was black and white, so that's totally a bummer, because I wouldn't even picked it up, because now I don't know that I will wear it. I really wanted black and white, but it's navy. So yeah, I probably should have read. It probably said that online, and I totally just missed it. And then I also picked up these 2 hair clips. I got 2 of the same ones because, you know, most of the time you like to put them together or put one on each side. So I got these 2. And these are really pretty crystalled out, and it has like the clear stones and the AB crystals on them. And they are like a rectangle type of shape, so I thought these were cute. I like hair accessories, and I haven't really picked up that many lately. Actually, I did. I picked up some scrunchies, but I haven't worn those yet. And also, sticking with hair accessories, we'll do the jewelry last. I picked up some stuff for my daughter. Y'all know I'm pregnant. It feels weird to say my daughter, like, but yeah. Picked up some stuff for her too, because I saw that they had baby stuff, and I was like, let me check this stuff out because it's super cheap. Her registry, I already had put like a lot of different bows and stuff on there, but I thought this one was cute because it had the rainbows on it. And most of her headbands that I already have for her and stuff are more plain, like just simple colors. And then I have some that are like tie-dye. So I thought that this rainbow one was cute. And then they also had this black and white leopard kind of looking one. So I will show you this. These look a little kind of big, so I don't know. She might be able to fit it when she's first arrives, or maybe later. But yeah, I thought the black and white was cute as well, with just like a black onesie or something, and it'll really pop out. So cute. Y'all, I am so into bows for her. Like, I've been going bow crazy. Had these bows as well, so I picked these up in all the colors, just because I hadn't really seen anything like this. You can see I have all the colors, and let's just see. So this one is kind of like that stocking filling type of material, and then it is like a glittered out bow. So yeah, they stretch really easy, like it's not going to give her a headache or anything. They also had these on a clip, like if you just wanted to wear it as a bow or whatever, it wasn't a headband. I felt like the ones with the clip, the bow would be too big for her while she was smaller. So I got the ones with the headband, and then eventually if I want to switch it to a clip, I can always just cut this off and add my own clips on. So that's why I got these. So I got the pink one which is a soft pink. And then I have the white one. And then I have the yellow. And also the hot pink. And then this one is like a baby blue and pinkish color. And then this one is kind of like another shade of pink. It's kind of like a pink and purple mix. And then lastly, there's a red one. And also another thing you could do if you don't want to cut the bands off later on, like if you wanted to do the same thing I did, once their hair grows out, you can actually use this like a scrunchie and just wrap it around if you saved it for whenever they got bigger. But yeah, I thought these were cute, and you know, a lot of these bows she can have for a really long time if we take good care of them. And then also I picked up all of these hair accessories for my daughter as well because I just thought they were so cute. I'm gonna take them out of the plastic really quick because this paper is really noisy. All of these are kind of like kawaii type themed, and I thought they were so cute. These are really small, so I will use them while she's still pretty young, and then some are bigger, so I will wait. We have like a rainbow, a little cloud thing, some flowers, looks like a lollipop or something. This one with the glitter in it that moves with the lemon, and then these pineapples. So yeah, these are really cute. And then I just picked up all the colors they had. Some of them did repeat, like this one for example. Some of the clips are the same, like the little cloud and the rainbow thing, and also the one with the sucker and stuff. And the one with the flowers is similar, but it has a different color on it. So they have some that are really similar, and also the lemon one is similar too. It's pretty much the same thing, but you get the bananas, so I still got it because they're really inexpensive. So this is this one. If you can see, it is kind of similar to the first one I just showed you, but you have a little bit that's different in there. Comes with watermelons, and you have the little sucker and pink and stuff, and the flowers and the little cloud thing. So cute. This is the blue set, but then you have like some little carrots, and you have the rainbow thing with a different color and all of that. Y'all get the gist, right? And then lastly, I like this one too because it has the colorful lollipop on it, and you have some oranges at the top, and the rainbow is colorful. So yeah, these are so cute. A lot of these will be great like summertime, or just, you know, like with certain cute little outfits. So I picked up all of those hair accessories for her because they are really, really affordable. So if you're looking for stuff for your daughter, or if you have a little girl or whatever, definitely check on this website because they have some really good hair accessories. Okay, so now I have the jewelry pieces that I picked up for myself. So y'all know I love my big hoops, and they had some on the website. These are basically the same as the hoops that I normally wear. It's not the ones with those big stones that y'all tend to love a lot. It's the ones with the smaller stones, and I like to wear these a lot too. So this is the gold pair. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to pick up the bling. Well, yeah, there you go. So that's the bling. I got the gold pair, and of course I got the silver because y'all know I wear silver most of the time, or the silver ones. And I really did need a new pair of silver ones because mine's, some of the stones have fallen out, but they were more so in the back, so my hair covered it. I really didn't care. I've still been wearing them. But here's the silver pair. Those are the earrings that I got. And then I picked up a few rings and stuff. I picked up these two butterfly rings. It looks like this one actually got broken because of the way that the items were packaged. Everything did come wrapped up separately, but since it was compacted together, the ring actually came off of the little charm part. So I don't know what kind of glue I could use for like metal or a ring or whatever, but I thought this was cute, and it might be a cute ring for like my shoot because it's more exaggerated. And I've been loving butterflies, as y'all know. So that's the silver one. I'm gonna try to fix it, but I did also pick the gold one up as well. Honestly, I would have much preferred that the silver one made it through the mail. The gold one could have been the one that was broke, and I wouldn't have been mad, but I really wanted the silver one to be fixed. So that's how it looks. it's really cute. So that is that. I'm gonna try to fix the silver one. And then I picked up a few more rings. It's like a butterfly ring. And I thought this one was really pretty also. And it's really blingy. So this is it right here. And it just goes on one finger, but the butterflies do kind of spread out and go on to the next fingers. So that one is cute. And it is adjustable, so you can wear it on pretty much any finger. I went ahead and opened up all the rest of the rings that I have. And then I took my rings off that I had on so I can show you them. So these are two. So I got the gold and the silver. And if you could see, it is a unicorn. So I have the silver and the gold one. Silver and gold of these. And these are adjustable. Also, the unicorn ones were as well. So I have the gold and then I have the silver one. So you can pretty much wear it however you want and squeeze it or open it up to fit. I have these two. So I have the gold and then I have the silver one. And these are adjustable also. Super cute. That is everything that I got. I did also pick out, like they have like kids clothes as well. I did pick out an outfit. I guess it wasn't available anymore because I didn't receive it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I showed you all of the items. Definitely check this website out. Super, super affordable, especially if you are looking for accessories or hair accessories or jewelry. They also had like shoes on there, and I want to say like some purses and bags and stuff. And plenty of other stuff. So definitely check out the website. I will link it down below for you dolls, as well as any discount codes or anything like that. And if you dolls have questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.